Hey everybody, Cowboy here. Today we take a look at TradingView and how to look up indicators, how to look up their instructions, and it's a really good method for finding a community-based indicator and seeing what the author says about it. So go ahead and stick around after the clip and you'll find out who we are, what we do, how to find us, or just go to the website at the bottom of the screen or zap the QR code at the bottom of the screen. All right, enjoy the show. What we're going to talk about here is how to look at an indicator's directions, like how the actual author of the indicator tells us how to use their indicator. And the way to do that is to look at the title. There's a couple of ways to get into this, but if you look at the title up top, this is the Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo. Lux is a solid builder of indicators. You click on the three dots on the right here where it says more, and you go to about this indicator, or about this script, I should say. Click on that, and it brings you up to the Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo. And again, Lux is a solid writer of algos, very solid, maybe as solid as they come. So you can see all what he talks about here. This is an all-in-one indicator, displays real-time market structure, order blocks, premium and discount zones, equal highs and lows, and much more, allowing traders to automatically mark up their charts with widely used price action methodologies. Following the release of our fair value gap script, we received numerous requests from our community to release more features in the same category. SMC is a fairly new yet widely used term amongst price action traders looking to more accurately navigate liquidity and find more optimal points of interest in the market, trying to determine where the institutional market participants have orders placed, buy or sell aside liquidity, can be a very reasonable approach to finding more practical entries and exits based on price action. The indicator includes alerts for the presence of swing structures and many other relevant conditions. Features. Okay, so we have full and internal swing market structure labeling in real time, break of structure, change of character, order blocks, bullish and bearish. Thus probably those large kind of areas I was talking about earlier, those red bands. I'm guessing guessing those are order blocks. Equal highs and lows, fair value gap detection. That's cool. So they actually included the fair value gap, which is a particular indicator that's pretty valuable. Previous highs and lows, premium and discount zones as a range. Options to style the indicator more easily display these concepts. Okay, so you can actually what's the word? When you can, can't think of the word. When you do something the way you like it, customize, that's the word. Settings, mode. Okay, so you can do historical or present. Style allows you to customize. Color candles, plots candles based on internal and swing structures. All right, so you can read through all of this. I'm not going to go through all this, but you have extend FVG, so allows the user to choose how many bars to extend the fair value gap boxes on the chart. And that's a big deal. If you like to trade fair value gap, that is actually really pretty key. It's real good. His explanation here, not only are his algos really good, but his explanation of the algos are actually pretty badass. So he has it all listed out for you, and I'm assuming that this red band is your premium area and the blue is your discount, aka order blocks. So let's see here. He actually says it. To market chart. In the chart below, we can see the internal structure, which displays more frequent labels within larger structure. We can also see equal highs and lows. Labels plotted alongside the internal structure to frequently give indicators of potential reversals. Okay, so he's talking more about those concepts, swing labels. Okay, and this is how he would be trading. So this. He actually shows you how he would trade this, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, this is great. It's a really good algo. I'm glad you pointed this out. I can see what he's doing here. So if he goes above a prior, like this, I'm guessing this is an order block. Coming to play out scenario, green path outline. Hindsight, as price breaks through the order blocks. Okay, so these are order blocks, right? So as price breaks through an order block, he is looking for the pullback to the bottom of the order block and then going for the trade. And now what might be the case is that as these order blocks don't exist until price breaks through them, right? So that, might be the case. Here's another way to look at it. Price creates this order block here, comes back, bounces off of that, and heads up. And he actually uses a pullback. Or here, this order block is created, price breaks below the order block, possibly pulls up and heads down. This is just price action trading to the max. This is good stuff. So yeah, that is a premium order block, like I had guessed earlier. So he looks for price to approach that and then possibly reject at that order block. So yeah, this is really good. It's really good stuff. And I've not really, I barely scratched the surface. So definitely one to look at. And he actually you can go to his website. You can subscribe to his algos. I don't know that he gives you the code. I don't know that you'll be able to. He gives you the code on this one. It's an open source, which is really generous of him. He doesn't have to do that. It's large, 1,000 lines of code. It's beautiful. Anytime you have the code, you can use that to build your own algo. Lux, got to give him a shout out. Good stuff. All right. So I would definitely be interested in using that at some point. So that's a beautiful, beautiful indicator for sure. It's awesome. Like for example, this being, these appear to be coded as a premium, these red order blocks. So if I were to just verify that, I would right click, I would double click on his, okay, so internal bearish order block, that's a premium. Internal bullish order block, that is a discount. Bullish order block, bearish order block. So I'm guessing internal means that it's inside structure, meaning like not as valuable. You see right here, am I tripping out? Okay. Well, let's see if I can. Well, okay, so all the order blocks I think are only going to be on recent price action, only external, and that's good because even though there might be order blocks back here, once price action covers something, generally they're no longer quite as applicable to trading. So in this case, it seems as if, one could use this, and I might start using this, as price heads up. Let's do it this way. As price heads up, it's a weak low, right? So as price heads up to any of these order blocks, if it rejects, it might break below that weak low, and that might be a nice short to take, right? So that's as that goes. I might have to take a look at this. It's pretty good stuff. So thanks for the point out there. Who came from that? Was that Rikaku? Yeah, that's a good algo. Keep that on the chart here. So we are live every weekday, 8:30 AM EST, giving out free content. Come check us out on YouTube. Come talk to us. Go over to the website. That's www.algofactory.tech. Again, www.algofactory.tech. And for a limited time promotional offer, we are giving out memberships at $49.99 a month. There's a ton that we're offering over there. Come see what that's about. Also, you can see our Twitter link. All the links are up on YouTube. Come talk to us on social media. See us on the live YouTube videos. We hope to see you soon.